Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Kasama mo sa birthday.
Ano ginagawa mo niya?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, okay.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming. Maraming salamat. Yay! Thank you for joining me sa aking first birthday sa Canada. Thank you to my family and friends. Of course,
one more. Family. Okay.
I would like to thank my family and friends. And of course, I would like to thank my following sponsors. My sponsors, okay? Sinjis Food Catering Services. For more info, contact them. I would like to thank TD Canada Trust for my lechon. And of course, Jory's Photography. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bench, Vicky Bello for my Nike, Urban Planet. Samantha for my makeup. My A-Bessie Ben Capamilla. TFC, and of course, Zara family. Gimme.
Tunaw na yung kada.
Mama kong Ray. All my supporters back in the Philippines, maraming salamat. Sa Facebook fans ko, kamaingay. Grabe na to.
Grabe, wala na yung candle.
Especially to my employer, Romulo Aquino, maraming salamat po. And to my clowns, JJ and Jordan. Thank you. And of course, my wish is peace of mind and heart, and of course, good health for everybody. Thank you for coming.
You can get it. Do it in the other cake. Do it in the other cake. Ulit yung speech. Ulit. Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Alis, Brenda.
Naipidosa.
Thank you po.
Sino kaya yung katabi ni Brian doon?
Thank you, Tita Ellen sa palabok. Tita Ellen sa palabok, thank you. Yeah, and Tita for the cake. And everybody.
Okay, slice the cake.
Slice the cake.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. 5, 6.
Ang dami namin, ha? Ang Bombay, ha?
5, 6.
Uy, nananadya.
Uy, may dumaan.
Main ulit.